call this car Sledge Hammer.
Are you on YouTube?
Yeah. Yesterday I came out and hit 171. The thing about yesterday though was that when I was making the recording, I recorded everything in instant replay mode, so I didn't have any sound or anything.
Hello. What's going on, Sledge? You got a minute? Oh, what's up, man? Yes, I have a minute. Cool, man. Well, you had some decent rides yesterday, huh? What do you mean by decent? The only thing that was just decent about yesterday was your driving. Oh, come on, Sledge. I agree. Nobody's perfect. Well, I came ready to perform, but it is a team effort and I needed a good driver.
This is Sledge Hammer. Alright, Sledge, let's see what you got this morning. Tracking. Start. Tracking. Stop. Read. 1 mile. Alright, let's reset it. Is it tracking? Yes, it's tracking. Start. Tracking. There you go. Running. Alright, Sledge, let's see what we got.
Please drive well. Focus. I'm so built. I feel so alive right now. Once the roadway is clear, I will be able to launch into hyperwarp, Star Trek level speed. I will launch in 16 seconds.
Get set, go.
All systems remain operational. There is no indication of any internal damages as a result of hyperspeed. I suspect a new PB has been achieved. However, please do not get too excited. The speed run is not over until I return to start under my own power, and in 100% working order with no loss of parts or shell.
By surprise. How fast that thing go?
Trying to find out right now, but I can't see it.
You are now unable to locate my position because you lost concentration, which caused you to take your eyes off of me. The coolness of the morning air, including the break of dawn sun glare that is reflecting tree shadows onto the speed run roadway, has substantially diminished your ability to regain a visual interpretation of my location. Please relocate to a position where you are able to access a visual. And by the way, who was that? Do you know him? I see you. Are you able to see me? be encouraged. You will be able to get me back to the start point. This pass has become a matter of decency since returning me to base has not been efficiently executed. What do you think?
That counts. That counts. Good job, Sledge. You did that. You did that.
You did that.
A little rough on the edges there, I see.
It was a decent pass. That's all I will say, for now.
Let's see what we got. Error acquiring data. That's different. Track. Stop. Read. 170. Let's do a quick check on it. Let's see. See what happened. Just pinned in there just a little bit. Sledge, I think you're ready to run again.
Send me.
Start. Stop. Read. It's tracking. All right, Sledge, come on, man.
I got you.
Oh boy. Oh. Nerve-wracking a little bit. Let's go.
Calm your nerves and free your mind. A calm mind brings inner strength and self-confidence. That's very important if you're going to positively engage the challenge of a plus 171 mph pass. Get yourself together. My build still feels good. I'm ready. Launch in 24 seconds.
On your marks. Get set. For the record. Go.
Once again, all systems responses are showing normal. We need to have a meeting of the minds at some point in the near future. Maybe give me a call tomorrow night when you get home from work. In order for us to be effective as a team when we come to do speed runs, we need to be clear on the basic principles of the art of speed running. I also would like to advise you of opportunities to strengthen your ability to sustain focus throughout each speed run. Ecclesiastes 6:9 says better is the sight of the eyes than the wandering of the desire. Basically, stay focused on the task at hand with everything you do. This pass was another matter of decency, albeit with a strand of consistency. I use the term decency, in the context of the least that I would expect from you, because right now I am bouncing off of curbs while there are 18-wheelers driving by literally within inches of my chassis. Don't worry, I am still within 100% working condition and still have my shell properly fastened.
Come on back, Sledge.
It's going to take approximately 2 minutes and 28 seconds for you to safely bring me back to the start. At this time I would suggest you relocate to a better position where you will be able to visualize my location.
I don't think Sledge is coming back. Dang.
Remember what I said a few speed runs back. Patience is a virtue of highly successful speed runners.
See what's going on with Sledge. Can't keep going and you can't see it.
I agree. The capacity to get past distractions is what sets the disciplined apart from others. Ouch. Focus, man, focus.
Rough this morning, huh, Sledge?
A matter of decency.
Man, you got this. Stop. Read. 169.
I told you. Next time I want to feel 180 miles per hour.